how to enable voice typing in Windows 11. Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. If you are new here, don't forget to hit the subscribe button and turn on the notification bell to not miss any updates. So, Windows has introduced a new feature that is voice typing that makes your work a lot easier. So, for that, you'll need to remember the shortcut keys. That is Windows plus H. So, just tap on Windows and H at the same time, and you can see that the Microsoft Speech Services has been turned on. You can just tap on the mic to start the voice typing. Now, you can go to your Word app or anywhere where you want to use the voice typing feature, hold the Windows and Edge, and then open the mic. Now, whatever you speak will be written on your document. So it's as simple as that, as you can see on the screen. If you found this tutorial helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe to our channel for more tips and tricks. Thank you for watching.